this last garage today. And it's a nice shaft.
Yeah.
And it's on the 18th of July 2025. What was the address? It's Vaakonkatu 13, Stickers A. We'll try also the Stickers B soon here. This is also in Haapalinna, Tampere. Otis, more people have been. It was almost impossible to get a sign here.
Yeah.
But I thought it was here. It was built in 1996 with those 1,000 pictures. And this one there's B1 and B1814, but should have been novelties.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 passengers at the inspectors. Or a late series one should have been.
Yeah.
Also. It's also nice here. So this is not long after the beginning of 96 actually.
Yeah.
But still, it's not series one anymore.
Yeah.
But it should have been actually.
Yeah. It's no.
There's a small window.
Yeah, but you can't see nothing. There's annoying glass tiles.
Yes, glass tiles, but they have filmed to that side.
Yeah.
It's still interesting, but strange. And it's a rare round window.
Yeah. Siitä paikkiväistä meitä pääsee missä on kanti.
Yes. This building is really difficult.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
That's